Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today, I have got a bubbly lime swizzle. So let's get started. For this, you are going to need a shaker, and we're going to need one good shot of Captain Morgan. Now to this, we're going to add about a shot and about a half of club soda. That's where we get the bubbles from. About a half a shot of ye old simple syrup. Sweetness. And about 3/4 of a shot of lime juice. Shake. Put out the CO2. Pour into your glass. Garnish with whatever you like a nice maraschino cherry or something. And that's it. A bubbly lime swizzle. Delicious.